She is.
Nature, you. What's the nature, man?
Yeah. It's a good one.
Common black hawk, Kakara vulture. Crested Kakara vulture. This is a great egret. Great egret. Look at the crocodile. Look at the guys, the crocodile, the little crocodile. Look at that. Look at that. Let me do that. They're training. They train those guys with their babies. Yeah, when they're babies, they train them. When they grew up. Look at that.
How old is it?
¿Cuántos tienes?
Como 5 añillos.
Like 5, 6 years old.
Really?
Yeah. See? Means reign of crocodile.
Rain of crocodile.
Yeah, this river has 3,000 crocodiles in this river.
Wow.
Almost 25 crocodiles per square kilometer. Donald Trump. That's the name of this one. Very big, guys. This one is almost 70 years old and around.
Oh, he's coming for
Smell tourists.
tourists.
Yummy, yummy. Smell tourists and tres leches. Egret. What are you looking for? A beer?
Job.
Es one coming down. Mira el que viene ahí. ¿Es la hembra? Sí, la hembra. Sí.
Yeah, mission.
This is a female.
How do you tell?
Huh?
How do you tell?
For the breath. No, nowhere breath.
Oh, breath.
For the implants.
Oh, look right here.
It's for the
Woo, that thing is big.
Oh, look at that guy. Very nice, very nice. Oh, beautiful. She's gonna make a good show.
Look at the size of that thing.
Wow. It's a female. Look at
She's
this
ready
guy.
to come on board.
Ay, cualquier cosa es un pedacillo para Osama. Mira, mira. Oh, look at that, guys.
You're right, he's crazy.
Oh,
That one eye open. Something wrong with this eye over here.
Alaska.
It's minus an eyeball.
Yeah, well, she missed one eye. One eye, see? They don't have the right eye.
Yes, we couldn't see you from Alaska, so you said
Somebody want to try, guys? Some volunteers?
We let turtles go. That was good enough for me.
Bye.
You want something wild?
That's amazing.
You want something wild? How with Johnny?
That's amazing.
Hey, baby. Thank you, baby.
That's amazing.
Look at the cara a cara.
We never signed a waiver.
Finally, we find the big one.
Is this the big
guys.
one?
Woo! We find the male, Osama bin Laden. 90 years
That-
old crocodile, over 750 pounds. 120. This is the biggest. Ready, guys? This is your chance.
2 eyes.
See all those marks? Shells and everything? You find for chichis. You find for
There, you can get the tail right there. There, you can find the tail.
Oh, wow.
It's smoother.
Okay, guys, look at that, guys. Thank you, buddy.
Well done, old man.
Yeah.